Ka BJP Meghalaya unit kala ong ba ka jing Slem ban pynbna ki kyrtong jongkana ka banta ka election nong thau an ka ying dorbar ka jala Meghalaya ka ban long hak arpnyo tri urumpang arjat pulai ka dai na ka daw ka jing uprai na ki bor bahlor jong ka party na Delhi. Nakalyang President ka BJP Meghalaya unit uba Ernest Mauri ulaong baka bor badai pet na Delhi kan sa khot ban yakran na ka banta ki kyrtong bat kumju ru halor ki mat yakran ki ban don hak thop kular election ka party.
Because they are going to sit serially, not only Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Meghalaya. So we are waiting for a call. I may be traveled to Delhi immediately, maybe latest by 30th. So I'm waiting for their call. The day when they sit the Central Parliamentary Committee, they will invite us to Delhi. Manifesto is already prepared and we have already discussed in Tura. When BL Santosh, the National Justice Organization, visit Tura, in that meeting we have already laid down the point for the election manifesto. So immediately, just after the announcement of the candidate, we will release our state manifesto elections. We have decided to contest all the 60 seats, and we have already received the application from all the constituency. Some constituency we have multiple candidates, 3, 4, 5 names. Some constituency we have 2 candidates. So we will send all the names to Delhi, and the Central Parliamentary Board Committee, they will decide the final name of the candidate. We have not discussed that matter since we are going to have the core committee meeting. After the core committee meeting, we'll let you know. You see, let me talk about the vote sharing. Last election, 2018, we have contested 47 seats and we have got the vote share of 9.7. And now, according to the survey report which already conducted by the party, we find out our vote share has increased from 20 to 25%. And last time we have projected that we have the potential seat up to 25, but this time we have 35 projected, and we are expected that we will win more seats so that we can lead the government. We are not planning to have a coalition with anybody. Let us, after the result, to find out the like-minded party which going to follow our agenda, free corruption government.